Welcome back to another Call of Duty mobile video. As I've been grinding and grinding on this Arctic 15 so I can get the stepping power ammunition. Essentially just ups the damage. I think it makes like body shots, headshot damage worth. So, I mean, like, it should be pretty much any way you shoot them, it's going to be a one-shot kill. I will say, the main issue I'm having with it has been mobility. It feels very awkward to run with, a little bit awkward to slide with. Like, personally, when using sniper rifles in other Call of Duties, I use things like the Ballista, the 115. And in this, I think the equivalent to that would be like the DLQQ or whatever. But this thing, I don't know, it's really strong. But it's also really slow. I think also the Kilo marksman can also have high damage ammo that either equals or exceeds this amount. I should probably test it out later to see if it's also a body shot kill or not. I can't really remember. I haven't used it in a while.
We're capturing C. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. UAV online. We captured Charlie.
Actually, I think I used it last week. Yeah, I did. And it was also still a two-shot for some people. I had to keep trying to hit headshots with it, so this might be one of the only one-shot body shot guns. I don't really like sniping that much. I'm not good at it. But I do enjoy giving them all a chance and, you know, trying them all out. I think it's hilarious. My kill to death ratio on the one where I've played ranked in global is like 2 point something, and the difference with this one, I haven't played ranked on the Korean one yet, and my KD is like 5.4 something. Huge difference. Although personally, I don't really care about kill to death ratio.
Enemy contact.
I play this game having fun and stuff. I don't need to be concerned with all that. With all the ADS and movement speed stuff, this does kind of feel cool to quick scope with. I had to use the 6 times though, because I was using the 3 times and I couldn't quick scope with it. Oh wow. This guy's went straight past the sentry gun, god damn it. I should have seen that coming. Anyway, yeah, like I was saying, the 3 times does not feel that accurate. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just the Arctic with the 3 times, but I can't quick scope with it. Not that this would be considered full on quick scoping, but yeah. For mobile, I accidentally just hit that hip fire button. I had to add that because I'm obviously using a sniper rifle. Sometimes you have to hip fire. Yeah, I also tried the 4 times, and it's kind of the same story. I like the actual stock scope for this gun, but it's also too zoomed in to just run around shooting becuase. So. And I did a game on shipment with this gun, and I ended up getting a decent amount of kills, but was a bit chaotic though. You get 1 or 2 kills and die, 2 or 3 kills and die, do the whole squad wipe, then it all spawn behind you, and oh man, It's fun, but it's just way too chaotic with a sniper.
Capture the objectives.
So you probably see what I mean by how slow you move with this gun
Enemy taking B.
compared to other ones. I'm sort of compensating using the baseball bat to run with, but it's still just not that great. I mean, like, is it really worth the damage to be, like, this slow?
We're capturing.
Speaking of slow, this is the longest capture in the world. Like, come on, man.
We captured Bravo.
Oh, I got help from a teammate. Cool. Nobody coming. I swear I seen someone coming.
We've taken the
Oh,
lead.
there they are.
UAV recon ready for deployment.
See, that's for when that's when it's like good. You can quick
Enemy
scope kind
contact.
of with it, just like quick aim shoot. I don't mean quick scope as in shoot as the scope gets to the screen, like traditional quick scoping. I mean like quick scope in and shoot.
Losing Charlie. We're capturing Alpha. Losing Bravo. We lost Bravo.
Oh man, capture. I might pick up the DLQ33 or whatever it's called again, and
Contact with enemy.
see if it has anything else on it that can like increase damage or something. Like right then, that wasn't too bad at movement, you know what I mean? But
Losing C.
then it's just this walking so slow. If anyone else had a sniper rifle, I would be dead.
We lost Charlie. We captured B. Stealth chopper awaiting orders.
So did you guys see the post about the season changing with the snowy window and that coming?
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
No idea what that's about. It said coming next season. Might be getting some sort of Christmas thing going on. Really hope they bring back zombies, to be honest, because that was one of my favorite game modes in this.
We're capturing
I oddly noticed I have my revive tokens in stats for zombies still somehow. Which, I don't know why I have that if we don't have the game mode anymore, but yeah, hopefully we get it back.
stealth chopper inbound.
Kind of sucks too, because I think they said the reason why they took it out was because not many people was playing it, but like, I think I've seen people playing it every single day. Like, I was one of them people that would jump on, play it every day, because it would do missions for the battle passes and stuff, and I unlocked like tank MC, the lava axe, all that stuff. There's a lot to do, and it was like,
All positions locked down. Positions
like a kind of break from playing multiplayer and battle royale all the time. It was good.
Targets in sight.
online. Keep on them. We're winning this one.
There's also a good way to get
Charlie. Losing
like
B.
better with your weapons that you like using double on the map, like the AK-47 or the Rust 74U, PDW even.
We lost B.
I thought there was someone there, man. Like, people just snuck up and took that objective. It's like, what's going on? Just pop one person, someone else starts taking it, I turn around and pop them. And this other dude runs up and takes it. I honestly thought the hives would stuff him. I don't know how he got past him. Alright. So we got time for, so thanks for watching. And I guess I'd recommend using this gun, but I mean, there's better snipers.